When a vehicle, especially heavy machinery like a dump truck or any internal combustion engine, experiences hard starting, it means that the engine struggles to start or takes longer than usual to fire up. One of the most probable causes of this issue is a clogged air cleaner. Here's a comprehensive explanation with a detailed answer as to why this is the case. The air cleaner, commonly referred to as the air filter, is a crucial component of the engine's air intake system. Its primary function is to filter out dirt, dust, debris, and other contaminants from the air before it enters the engine's combustion chamber. Clean air is vital for the engine to operate efficiently. Over time, the air cleaner can become clogged with dirt and debris. When this happens, the amount of air that can pass through the filter is significantly reduced. This restriction in airflow means that less air is available for mixing with the fuel, leading to an improper air-to-fuel ratio. A rich fuel mixture can cause difficulty in ignition and even engine flooding, making it hard for the engine to start. The engine requires a precise air-to-fuel ratio for efficient combustion. If the air cleaner is clogged, this imbalance leads to inconsistent combustion, where some fuel doesn't burn properly, resulting in the engine struggling to start. Additionally, a clogged air cleaner forces the engine to work harder to draw in the necessary air, increasing engine strain, particularly during startup. Symptoms of a clogged air cleaner leading to hard starting include prolonged cranking, rough idle, poor fuel efficiency, and black smoke from the exhaust. Regular maintenance is the best way to prevent a clogged air cleaner from causing hard starting. Include air cleaner checks in your maintenance schedule and replace the filter when necessary. A clogged air cleaner is one of the most probable causes of hard starting in vehicles, including heavy machinery like dump trucks. Regular maintenance, including checking and replacing the air cleaner, is essential to prevent this issue and ensure the engine starts smoothly and operates efficiently. I'm Christopher Naputo, your TESTA accredited TVT trainer. Thanks for watching, and always stay safe on the job.